I'm Mikesh and talk about North Korea's facts. The first one is we are celebrating the uh, 2020 as a new year. So, but uh, in 19 in South Korea, they are celebrating as 191 not 9 the year because there is this is a date of sun because the the former president of South North North Korea is Kim Chul Sung is a former president of North Korea. So that he born in 15 April 1912. He was born. So that now the age of uh, North Korea is 109. The second one is uh, they were a dictator rule, but they were voting every 5 years. They want to select the leader, but they were only one leader. And third is uh, if you done any mistakes or any unwanted things, they were punished the 3 generation of US. If you done a mistake, you and your son and your grandson will be punished. And the fourth one is they were using the human excision eclipse feces as a um, fertilizer. The fifth one is they were only 3 channels were published. The 3 channels were owned by the governments, so that they were decided what to publish on news on channel. The sixth is if you want to live in capital of North Korea is you got a permission of no any mistakes, any Polish records are not in your family or yourself. They were permitted to live. If not, you not lived in the North North Korea's capital. North Korea's capital is Pyongyang. The seventh one is the education is must. They provide education is free, not free, but mandatory. But they were asking the only donation for chairs and desk. And eighth is there is tobacco is the traditional crop, so that it is legal in there. And the ninth one is Serdeogli. The female apartment is provided to president, that is Kim Kong Yun. And tell your 10th interesting fact of North Korea. And these are only believed facts, not exactly true. Thanks.